Hello everyone, I'm Sona, your English language teacher, and welcome back to Sona's English podcast. Today's episode is an A2 B1 listening challenge. You will listen to 5 short stories told at a natural speed. After each story, I'll ask one question, and then I'll give you the correct answer right away. At the end of this episode, you will know your listening level. If you understand 4 to 5 stories, your level is B1 or close to B1. If you understand 2 to 3 stories, your level is A2. If you understand 1 or 0 stories, don't worry, it simply means you need more listening practice. Ready? Let's begin. Story 1. The Busy Morning. This morning, I woke up later than usual. I only had 10 minutes to get ready, so I washed my face fast, got dressed, and grabbed my bag. When I opened the door, I saw that it was raining, but I didn't have an umbrella. So I ran to the bus stop and hoped the bus was late too. Why was I running to the bus stop? You were running to the bus stop because you woke up late and didn't have an umbrella. Story 2. The Surprise Message. In the afternoon, I checked my phone and saw a message from an old friend. We hadn't talked in almost 3 years. The message said, "Hey, I'm in your city today. Want to meet for a quick coffee?" I said yes, and we chose a cafe near my workplace. Who sent me a message? An old friend sent you a message. Story 3. The Wrong Cafe. I arrived at the cafe, but it was noisy and full of people. I looked around, but my friend wasn't there. After a few minutes, I checked my phone again and realized something funny. I had gone to the wrong cafe. There was another cafe with the same name across the street. So I crossed the road and finally found my friend waiting by the window. Why couldn't I find my friend at first? You couldn't find your friend because you went to the wrong cafe. Story 4. Catching Up. We talked for almost an hour. My friend told me about a new job, and I told her about my life. We laughed and shared many stories about life. Before we left, we promised not to wait another 3 years to meet again. What did we promise before leaving? You promised not to wait another 3 years to meet again. Story 5. The Peaceful Walk. After saying goodbye, I walked home slowly. The rain had stopped, and the air felt fresh. The street lights reflected on the wet ground, and everything looked calm. I felt happy because reconnecting with my old friend made my day special. Why did the day feel special? The day felt special because you reconnected with your old friend. Great job! You just finished a full A2 B1 listening challenge. Now check your results. If you understood 4 or 5 stories, congratulations! Your level is B1 or higher. If you understood 2 or 3 stories, your level is A2 and you're on the right track. If you understood 0 or 1 story, that's okay. You simply need more listening practice, and this podcast will help you improve. Thank you for listening to Sona's English podcast. Keep listening, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.